Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Photoshop to English. Now first up, what you need to do is to close Photoshop, so just make sure Photoshop is not running on your device. And then you can go ahead and open the Creative Cloud Desktop app. So click on the account icon in the upper right corner and then select Preferences. Now from there, you can change default install language. So head to the app section in the left sidebar, select English from the default install language drop-down menu, and then click Done. Next, if Photoshop is already installed, you will need to uninstall and then reinstall it for the language change to take effect. Now after that, set UI language in Photoshop. So open Photoshop, head to Edit, then Preferences, and then Interface on Windows, or Photoshop, Preferences, and then Interface for Mac. And then select English from the UI language drop-down menu. Finally, restart Photoshop to apply the changes. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.